What is it? What are the cars?
This one's yours. Baby. That's it. All these cars are parking to stay and room the race.
What do the cars sound like?
Vroom, vroom.
What's Daddy's favorite car?
And this is what I want to go on when I know there's a school bus. Vroom, vroom. See that school bus trick? And then you trailed the track.
Oh no.
Now I had to do it a little mistake right here, so you better not touch them. Haha, you're too slow. These cars will go faster. I want you to help to push all these cars fast on the other side of here. That's all the cars I need. On the school bus lined up. And the school bus farted on the other car. And this green car just put pickles on your bum. Ew. And this car put what on the ground? Poop on the ground of your face. And this one put water on your face. And this one pooped you out of this house with its bumper. This car is really mad to put anyone else on the truck.